Good afternoon, guys. Already 4:20. I am in the mood to edit a video. So good. Oh, yeah. This is my when I finish my duty, I I put water on the small quantity of rice left over, and yeah, I made a porridge, and I finished it all. I'm going to clean that later. Look at this. It's already broken. Water, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, there's water leakage. So basically this is already broken. Yeah, but I can still use. I'm just very careful not to touch the electricity to the water because I will be electrocuted and there will be no more blood. Nice. Temperature is nice. Yeah, 20 something. Good evening, guys. It's already almost 9 o'clock. We're going outside to buy a pizza. I don't want to order online because I want to go outside. It's a little dark on my way, but yeah, this place is really safe. There is Domino's Pizza here in Nelson Bay. Also one in Salamander Bay. There is also one pizza shop here. The name is Sharky Pizza, but they are already closed. This hotel, they are always busy because they are like the center and like a fine dining restaurant here. And there is a Domino's Pizza in here. This is my first time to buy pizza for myself. Yo! Nice. They are actually sampaguita. Just now I realized that. Yeah, because when I was here, and then I smelled something familiar, and I checked the flour, and it's sampaguita. While waiting, we're going to have a look in the marina. According to the guy, it will take around 10 minutes. Yeah, the time now is maybe 9 o'clock, and there are still some people here. They are walking around. We're going to check if there are some people fishing on that side. Yeah, normally there are people who do fishing in the breakwater. Breakwater? Breakwall. What's that? Yeah, no, but there are some people on that side. Yeah, there's nobody here, but yeah, it's fully lighted, and we are back here to get the pizza. Yeah, I got this. I don't know how can I carry this, so I will be carrying this like this. Yeah, just one hand. Yeah, so this is the pizza that they have. Yeah, Hawaiian. And Hawaiian, the Italians, they hate Hawaiian pizza. They said it's not pizza. They said that pineapple should not be in the pizza. But this is one of the most delicious pizza in the world, man. I don't know here, but in the Philippines, I like Hawaiian pizza. I don't really like pizza, but I don't know why I like it this time. It looks nicer in real life. I don't know. I don't think I can finish it all. The first time I had pizza was when I finished high school. I went to Manila because to continue my college. Yeah, and that is where I experienced pizza in Pizza Hut. They are selling a slice of pizza, and that's the cheapest. During my time, it was around 25 pesos, one slice of pizza. Yeah, because when I was in the province, there's no pizza shop, and if there is, it is expensive. We cannot afford. And then I was working before at the French Baker. We have pizza in there, but yeah, we are not allowed to eat in the restaurant. In Dubai, we usually order pizza because in one apartment we are 4 people, and all of us are Filipinos. So sometimes when we finish our duty, we can't sleep. We have a conversation in the living room, and yeah, we sometimes order pizza, sometimes a KFC, but most of the time pizza because this is the favorite of the other guys. I also have a chicken here. This it costs $22. All of this, one soft drinks, a chicken, and the pizza. This is a chicken wings. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. No, 5 pieces. It's $5.50. I don't know how much the price of this, but the total is $22. Good. Very soap. I like it. I like the chicken. It's very soft. I don't know how they do this. We also have pizza at work. Yeah, I eat sometimes, but just one slice. Well, pizza is not my favorite thing. Usually if I eat chicken, I imagine that it is raw, and it's not good. But with this one, it's really good. Yeah, I'm full. I won't be able to finish this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more slice of pizza. Oh, the chicken is really good. No aftertaste, no smell. Yeah, it smells just like barbecue, but because I'm working in the kitchen, so I know the smell of the raw chicken, the aftertaste, the after smell of the chicken, the spoiled chicken. Yeah, this one is good. This one will go to the refrigerator. Good morning, guys. Yeah, my hair is getting long now, but only this side, and the back side. But on the top, yeah, I'm losing my hair. It is now 8:37, and yeah, I have a leftover pizza from last night. This is the one, and we're going to eat one of these while I am cooking the rice. Yeah, if you're doing this, stay in the place, watch it, because it may be a cause of a fire. So yeah, don't do like this, Mike, because look, as you can see, there are already smoke around. Yeah, that's enough. Oh, oh yeah. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now 11:21. Yeah, just went back. Came from sleep. What is the right word? Yeah, sleep again and just wake up. I'll take a shower first, and then I will prepare my lunch. And yeah, my duty today is at 2 o'clock. I still have long hours. Yeah, I needed to throw the water from here because this already has a leakage somewhere there. If I don't do that, water will come out here. It is now 1:15. We are going to work. You know, there is a leakage in the faucet, this one, and yeah, there is a small droplets. That's why I'm going to put this empty 7-Up bottle, and we will see how much water is being wasted because of that. Yeah, everything are switched up, and yeah, see you outside. Yeah, this is how it is today. Nice weather, and you see the water. It is sparkling beautifully. Yo, it's so good to cross. There are no cars. You know, today is going to be good because yeah, everybody are in the kitchen today. No one is day off today. And it is good when everyone is working, because you know, this is the time that the people, the kitchen staff, they are chatting while working, and it's fun like that. And I am just listening to them. Yeah, something like if they ask me, I will answer, but most of the time I am just listening to the conversation of them, and them laughing if something to laugh. Yeah, they sometimes notice me, and they are trying sometimes to, you know, for me to open up a conversation, but you know, I'm still quiet. They sometimes ask me about my blog and things like that, but you know, I didn't really open the good afternoon. You belong to me. Do you feel the same? Am I only dreaming? Oh wow, that's awesome. Look at that. The bird is drinking water from a plastic that was hanging on top of the small post. Awesome.